alarm system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Grand Junction every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. An exception to this will be made if severe weather threatens or is forecast to occur in the broadcast area on the day of the test. In this case, the test will be performed on the next available fair weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in western Colorado: Mesa, Garfield, Montrose, Delta, Eagle, Pickens, Gunnison, Ouray, San Juan, La Plata, Archuleta, Moffett, Sprout, Montezuma, Dolores, San Miguel, Grand, Jackson, and Summit, and in eastern Utah, Uinta, Grand, San Juan, Duchesne, and Emory. Repeating once again, the National Weather Service has just conducted a test of the public warning alarm systems. We now return to our normal broadcast cycle.